So I think I'm recording. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're interviewing Sennah Kishiya, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about what he does and how he learned English. Sennah, can you please tell us a little bit about yourself?
Okay. Hi, my name is Sennah Kishiya, and I at the Tokyo University of Science, and my major is mechanical engineering, and I'm at the master course now, and I'm studying about the research of the engines of the planes, and I'm going to analyze the vibration inside the engines. And to learn English, I always read the papers of the planes, engines, research. And also I usually study at my university before I'm at the master course. And also I kind of studying TOEIC test for it, and try to read very fast and try to solve the problem soon and kind of focus on that. And it's kind of keep studying, and if you don't know the word, you need to keep examining what this means. And first, I really don't know about the word of the paper because it's very difficult to research. And also in Japanese, it's really difficult because it's very kind of professional words. So I need to keep studying, but if you keep researching and also research about the English, you know the words and keeping going, and you could read no problems. So
you see the same words, I guess, sometimes. You see the same English words after a while. So good. Do you take any English conversation classes at your university?
Yes, speaking, listening, writing.
Writing as well. How about, have you ever gone to an English conversation school?
For my my dad taught.
Your dad's school?
Yeah.
I'm his dad. I'll reveal that. What advice would you give to Japanese trying to learn English, trying to learn how to speak English? So mostly speaking, what would you say? What advice would you give them? How did you get good at speaking, and what would you say to people to advise them?
First, you need to know the words to what you use. And step 2 will be, how do you speak? So, but if you want to speak, you need to know the words or the sentence. But if you not try to say it, you can't say any words. So first you need to learn about the vocabulary and the sentence, and try to use that's all. Just keep doing that. And step 1, learn. And step 2, try to speak that you learned.
Try to use what you learned. I think that's maybe the biggest one, because I think a lot of Japanese have studied a lot of English, but they haven't had the chance to try to use it, or when they do have the chance, maybe they feel shy and maybe don't try as much as they could. So just trying and not worrying about mistakes is probably a good idea.
Kind of same as like your part-time job or for your work, that you can't learn just your heard. You need to try to move your body and try to learn with your all, like not only your brain. Use your body and
all your assets, all your
Yeah.
use all your abilities to learn. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I have any other questions. Thank you very much. Thank you for talking to us today and giving us your time. And please subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much, Sennah. See you.
Thanks.
Thank you, everyone.